Do you like cottage style decor? You're at the right place, and I'm gonna show you how quick I made them. Welcome, my darlings. I am Ceej, and this is Ceej DIY. Thank you so much for stopping by. I will be doing a makeover on this large birdhouse that I got in my crafting stash. I bought it last year on clearance for a couple of dollars, and now I'm gonna spray paint it with a matte finish white paint. After it's all nice and dry, I'm gonna work on the roof. For the roof, I'm using black chalk paint, and with a brush I'm going around the shingles until they're all covered with this black paint. Today I'm gonna be creating such a cute minis decor, and I'm gonna show you how easy I made them for less than 5 minutes, and we're gonna create a beautiful villa cottage style birdhouse decor. With the same black chalk paint, I'm going around the windows and the planters and the doors so we can catch all that beautiful 3D designs that this house have. And it's so beautiful, and I think I did a good job flipping it over with the white colors instead of blue. I think it looks more sophisticated, more modern, more cottage style. And you're gonna let me know what do you think at the end when you see the whole finished result. To add the spring and summer vibe, I added some green leaves with some floral in the planters on the side of the windows. This mini planter came with the birdhouse, and I'm gonna remove the red floral, and I can give that spring greenery with some nice flowers to match the spring summer vibe to outdoor decor for my house. I'm adding those Dollar Tree nice mini greeneries, and I'm just cutting off a couple of peaks, just enough to fit in this mini cute planter. Now that the mini planter is done, I just hang it where it was originally in front of the house. And when I add more details to it, you're gonna see how beautiful all together it's gonna come out. Today, I'm so happy that I'm a part of Minis Challenge. It's hosted by the amazing Corrie from Crafted by Corrie. I will have Corrie's channel in my description box, along with the amazing playlist with so many talented creators and lots of inspirations for spring and Easter. I am using one of those Dollar Tree candle holders. I'm adding glue on top of it, and I'm gonna add one of those birdhouses from Dollar Tree. I have also painted out this house with the ivory paint. The house was in a natural wood, so I just wanted to leave that natural look, but I just went over with the ivory color. And for the roof, I'm just using one of those tiles who look like a stones, and I'm just gonna measure, I'm gonna glue it, and I'm gonna cut the extensions out of that tile. For the roof, I'm gonna be adding some concrete paint with a white mixed, and with a sponge brush, I'm going over and covering the whole stone roof with it, just to look like the roof is made out of stone. I have also distressed the handle so we can get that rustic, worn out look, and it's gonna match more with my house. I'm using the same ivory paint that I use for my house, and going over on top and on the bottom. To decorate my house, on the bottom I'm gonna be adding some floral and some greeneries, And we're gonna add some beautiful cutouts from Dollar Tree and some birdies. Those birdies are from Joann's or Hobby Lobby. I got them on clearance long time ago, and I will be painting them with a lilac and some concrete paint. And I put one of the birdie on top of the roof and one on the handle. I added some moss around the house. I'm gonna be adding some florals and also those beautiful wooden cutouts from Dollar Tree, such as butterflies and flowers. I paint them out with the different colors. I didn't record that, so I don't bore you with all that painting. It's super easy. You can paint them any colors that you like. And now when they're all nice and dry, I add them in front of the house, on the side of the house, and on the roof. And I think this birdhouse looks so cute, and it's gonna match with my other house that we decorate. To make a nice yard and a porch, I'm gonna be using these two wooden stands. I got this stand on clearance from Hobby Lobby, and a wooden plank. I got it from, I believe, from Home Depot for free. And also we're gonna add some concrete pavement. I will be adding these Dollar Tree tiles. I'm just gonna cut them off and I'm gonna glue them for my yard or for my front porch, whatever you like to call it. Now that I cut off the tiles, I'm gonna glue them and put them all together, and we're gonna have a beautiful stone front yard for our house. I'm gluing the second tile and adding it next to the first tile that we made. Make sure it's all nice and connected. And we were missing a smaller piece. I cut off a smaller piece on the side. I also glued that together, but it's not gonna be noticeable after we put all that together and add some paint to it. For extra pieces, I just cut it off with this cutting knife. And also I'm gonna be adding side of those tiles on the stand as well. Now that I got it all together, I'm gonna be using this concrete paint and a white mixture from Folk Art, and with a sponge I'm just gonna dabbing around so it can catch the whole tile with it, and it's not gonna be noticeable that this is made out of fall tile. It's gonna look like actually we made some concrete tiles for our front yard. Just gonna be a beautiful texture. Also, I'm covering the side of it and the top with the same concrete white mix, just to have that outdoor look. While that part is getting dry, I'm gonna be using those wooden fence cutouts from Dollar Tree. I painted out white, and now when they're nice and ready, I'm just gonna put them in front of our porch. Now when my porch is done, we're gonna also add some beautiful planters. I love those mini planters, and they're gonna look super cute in front of the house and in our porch. I'm also adding these faux green bunnies that they just came out perfect. I'm just gonna glue them on the side of the porch, just like so. I'm also sprinkling a little bit of green moss so it can look like there is a grass between our concrete tiles. So it's gonna look so realistic. At least I think so. You gotta let me know what do you think you're gonna see the final result. I am also adding those beautiful mini planters. They're just perfect for these decorations. I added some greeneries and some moss inside and some florals, and I'm just gonna add them in front of the house and on the side of our porch, and it's just gonna look just perfect. They look so realistic. I am in love with these mini pots. Look how beautiful they look, and that floral inside with the greeneries is just perfect. I am also using this pink mini pitcher from Dollar Tree. I left the front side like it was because it was a beautiful saying. And then on the other side, I'm gonna be adding one of those decoupage mini sheets, just perfect for spring and Easter. When I cut off the piece that I like, I added a Mod Podge, and then with a sponge brush, I also decoupage it on top and seal it. I added some beautiful florals, some greeneries, and those beautiful birdies cutouts, peaks. Those birds peaks, I added patina, distressing a little bit on them, just to get the extra colors. And that's it for that. For the next DIY, I'm using these cutout houses from Dollar Tree. I just love them. They were perfect. I didn't paint them. I left them neutral color. And I'm adding these wooden floral cutout peaks that I got in my stash. I believe those are from Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure. Guys, I got so many crafting material in my house that I don't even remember when I bought them. So I'm trying as much as I can just to craft with my crafting stash so I can clean up everything and create beautiful decor for all of you guys and for my house and for my friends, or I can just give them away or whatever. So I'm just adding a glue for one of the houses for this bouquet, and also I'm gonna add the glue for the other floral pick, and that's it for this super simple easy DIY. And when I put all the pieces together, here I build myself a beautiful cottage decor with all that beautiful houses and bunnies and birdies and butterflies and flowers. You gotta let me know, what do you think? And that beautiful white fence, just perfect. Let me know, what do you think, if I inspired you today? And before I let you go, don't forget to check out the amazing playlist, Amazing Corrie. Corrie, thank you so much for having me in this amazing playlist. And my darlings, next week I got amazing video with amazing collab. I can't wait to show you what we made. And until next time, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Bye-bye.